Welcome dear students in next accounting class, and today we will learn how to post opening journal entry in ledger accounts. First of all, you know what is the opening journal entry. This is the opening journal entry. When we close the financial year and start next financial years, from our balance sheet we take the assets and liabilities. All the assets will debit. All the assets will debit with its balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are our assets. Okay. Its account will debit with its amount, and 2 accounts are liabilities account. Liability. And its account will credit. Okay, 10,000 is our loan account, or we took the goods credit from Sohan, so that is our liability. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and this is also 50,000. Now, posting of opening journal entry, there are 2 simple rules. One is for asset and second is for liability. In the debit side of the account, we will show to balance brought down, BD, B/D. In the credit side of account, we show by balance brought down. Okay. Now we one by one open all the accounts. This is a cash account. Okay. This is its debit side, and we show to balance brought down. Okay, this is the debit side. In the ledger account, 10,000. Okay, like this we open all the accounts. Bank account, furniture account, and machine account, and Mohan account. Okay, we show to balance brought down 10,000. We show to balance brought down 10,000. To balance brought down 10,000, and to balance brought down 10,000. Now we will open liability account, that is 2 account, Sohan account and capital account, and its credit side. This is its credit side. We show by balance brought down. This is 10,000. And in this account, by balance brought down 10,000. So next transaction will happen in this current year, and we will post in ledgers. Okay, so hope this concept you will understand and use it. Thank you.